Hello guys, this is Robert for Island Brew, the Homebrew channel. Today another unboxing video. Just got this from my postman. It is a fantastic package coming from Russia. It is the iTap. This is a device to fill your carbonated beers in bottles. I saw this first time last year when we went to Ukraine in some of the craft beer pubs, and was so interested in that I was looking in the web, and when I found this company I just ordered one for me. So just to tell you, I paid this by myself. This is not the advertising. Just want to show you how it looks and what you get for your money, and later on I will do of course a test of this, so we will combine this in this little review. Okay, what we have here, I just open it. Of course it's written everything in Russian, but as well in English, which make it more easier for everybody. So haha, okay. Need to tell you that the system, what's coming there, it's coming always with the holder here for the plastic bottles. But as you may know, I don't really like all the plastic stuff, so that's why I ordered an ad thing, which is for doing the long neck bottles. Okay, this is an extra one, and you have here also the holder and many of the connections. And we find here the user manual. It's written everything in English, having very well notes on it, really how to do everything. It looks really good, and I will check now if I'm able to fit this together, and later on see you for the review how it works. See ya!